Hello everyone, it's Monty the Polka Dot Pinecone. Thanks for coming back, stopping by my channel. I am here today to show you a couple things that I created that I'm sending out for some birthday mail. So just wanted to give you a quick share. There's some more stuff going with it, but I think I've already shared all those. So I'm just going to show you a couple of new things that I made. So anyway, I made these cute little felt like fringe bows with a fringe die that I got from Echo Park recently. I've been just trying making different things out of it. So this one put a little ice cream cone sticker in there. This one of those three-dimensional like fuzzy hearts, and then just a pom-pom in the middle of that one. So, and then just topped off with some ephemera from the Sunny Days collection. So those turned out pretty cute. There's that. And I can't remember if I showed this or not before, but anyway, this one I made with some of the Maggie Holmes collection also. It's a tiny little like shadow box. And I put a little mirror in there, a mirror heart, tiny little flowers, tiny little banner. Just I lined the inside with like washi tape, and I also trimmed the outside with washi tape. Put a bow on the top and then some string. So cute because it's so tiny. Anyway, there's that. Like I say, I may have already shown this, but I can't remember, so I just thought I'd share it quickly again. And then I used a couple of the dies that I recently received from Beebeecraft. They had reached out to me and asked me to try out some of their products, and so I did. And so I've tried a couple that I received so far. So this one I didn't use on my project, but I did cut it out so you could see what it looks like. It's a cute little you know, grass and flower border type die. So I got that, and then I used this picket fence die, and then this pretty butterfly die. So they all cut really well, even these intricate butterfly things, the pieces just pop right off. So very good quality, and cutting, cut really well. So what I made with these is I made some bag toppers. And so I put a couple different doilies, and then I stitched in gold at the top there. And then back here I put a layer of gold crepe paper. I stitched on it. Here's a piece that's left over from it. I kind of just, you know, ruffled it up, stitched on it. So that's first, and then the picket fence I cut out of white glitter paper, so that's layered back behind there. And then I created a rosette out of just some plain paper, and then I took my embossing ink pad and put some embossing ink on all the edges on the top, and then I sprinkled some kind of a turquoise embossing powder on top and heated it up, and so it has a kind of a shiny look on the top, the ridges of the rosette there behind there. And then here's where I use the butterfly die, and I cut it out twice, once in a plain blue that's behind, and then once in a pattern paper from the Sunny Days collection from Maggie Holmes. And I stitched across there. I trimmed it with some kind of the clear stickles. I layered a couple of ephemera pieces here, and I put everything up on foam. I tucked some gold polka dot tulle back behind there, just kind of filling the space. I added a cute little flower right here, paper flower, and then a little butterfly gem I got off AliExpress. And then this here is a wood veneer piece that I also embossed with some pink embossing powder. So that turned out pretty cute. And then this is the other one I made. Again, a couple of doilies stitched on top. Everything's pretty much the same. I trimmed the ephemera in some stickles, another paper flower. This is another wood veneer that I also embossed with turquoise powder. Some ephemera pieces back here. Stuck in some more tulle. Again, layered all those layers back behind there. And there's the picket fence again. So anyway, I thought these turned out pretty cute for some cute little bag toppers. I hope the person likes them. So anyway, that is what I've been creating the last couple days to send off as some birthday mail. So just wanted to share that with you and let you know how these dies cut. I'm going to be doing some more projects soon with some of the other stuff that I received from Beebeecraft. I'll link the products below that I used today and the shop. So go check it out if you like it and see what they have. They have some really cute stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching again, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Talk to you later. Bye.